Dear friends, we know very much about the Franklin Road ESC technology. Now I could find a new technology, CMC, Advanced Lightning Protector. One stall I found at the seminar of power line for transmission line and substation, and I couldn't stop myself. And let's talk with the presenter here on the stall. Yes, can you explain about this particular thing?
So this is a technology, is a so advanced technology that this doesn't allow a lightning to strike
Okay.
in 120 meter radius.
Okay, 120 meter.
Yes.
This is your
120
claim or it is proven?
It's fully proven technology which is using worldwide. Name the sector, we have a references. So it's a proven technology, and the working principle is based on the Nikola Tesla principle,
Okay.
which he has invented in 1916. That is a PDCE, which deionizes the atmosphere. So
Okay.
it work on the principle of deionizing the environment, which doesn't allow a lightning to strike to the earth, because the potential of the charges of the cloud doesn't get a path to travel to the earth. So ultimately it doesn't allow a lightning to strike in 120 meter radius.
Okay.
And the genius Nikola Tesla said that if we want to protect ourselves against lightning, then we should doesn't allow a lightning to strike. So that will be only a best protection against lightning.
Okay, now coming to your product, can you tell me something about the product you are showcasing here?
Yeah, so this product works on the deionizing the environment. So this particular body, the outer body, captured all the charged particles from the atmosphere.
Okay.
Because in case of a rainy and monsoon season, there are charged particles which are present on the atmosphere. So that particles plays a role to lightning to come to the earth. So what this device does, it captured all the charges from the atmosphere, whether it's a positive or negative.
And
Against
what is
that-
the role of this component
so
beneath this one?
all these are the different electrodes which captured the charges from the atmosphere. The top body, this one, this, all these are the electrodes.
Okay.
So it captures the charges and it ground it in terms of a milliampere to the earth. So we are deionizing the environment because charges plays a role for a lightning to come.
You
the
mean
earth.
to
So
say it attracts the charges from atmosphere to your equipment,
so it attracts the charges. Yes.
like
exactly.
EC technology,
Sorry.
early emission.
No, this is not a ESC because ESC attracts the lightning, but our device doesn't allow a lightning to strike. So this is a fully proven technology according.
It is not attracting, then how it is getting the charge on that electrode?
So it works on the magnetic field principle.
Okay.
So it's a natural that if there will be charges, one charges, positive charges on one plate of an electrode, on the another charge, it will ultimately attract. Simply like a magnetic effect.
And what is the role of this
So
instrument?
this technology comes with to check the healthiness of the system. So this system is installed on the main height on the lower part of a structure, which continuously monitors the healthiness of our system by sensing the milliampere that is flowing, and also it monitors temperature, humidity and pressure, and it monitors if there will be any lightning strike in surrounding 40 kilometer radius. It will tell us from the point of installation where the lightning has been occurred.
Tell me one thing, for conventional system of Franklin Road, we have to do some conventional method for calculation of the radius covered, like rolling spare method or other method. In your case, that is not required?
No, it's according to the IC 62305. As per IC 62305, there is a, in case of a rolling sphere, there is a formula, radius of protection is equal to 10 I e raised to 0.65. So exactly we have done the testing according to the standard.
Okay.
It's according to IC 62305.
But I have one small question to make. Why it is not being covered by that IC 62305 you are talking about?
It is under process. Soon we are are hoping to get some results on the IC standard, because this technology is being used from past 22 years across the global. In India, it comes 6 to 8 months back. So this is the
Can you tell me the some examples where this has already been installed in?
So in India, there are 3 to 4 companies where this is already been installed, and soon we are getting the results from the government sector also.
And what about other sectors in worldwide?
So in other structure, we have a reference in each and every sector, like whether it's a petrochemical, a substation, or a chemical industry.
In India or abroad?
Ships. Abroad, I'm talking about abroad.
Okay.
So even though in the ships, this technology has been installed. So you can even imagine the level of a technology. And this is approved in NATO. So this is one of the biggest defense in the global wide. So it's approved in NATO.
Again, I am showing you two equipments, one this system and second system to check the healthiness of the system installed for lightning protection. Technology name is CMC, Advanced Lightning Protector.